Uncle Frank here again, and today I would like to share with you a very nice surprise I had when I was zapping through Netflix. I really don't know how popular it is, but I regret not seeing this cartoon before. I think it's based on a comic book, or it's the other way around. So let's start Hilda with a circle for the head. And then we go on to make a square shape under the scarf. Let's divide this shape in the middle. So the arms are going to come from here, very thin. Just a line for the cuffs. And the hands are going to be simple as that. So here are her legs, which are way thin. And then I draw 2 cylinders for the boots. Now let's work on some details for the head, and as usual I divide it in the middle with these 2 lines, and then I mark the place where the nose is gonna be. So here is the nose, and then we make a simple mouth. Then let's draw 2 big round eyes. So now we just need some details for the hair. And her bonnet, which is gonna be something like an apple. So now we use a thicker marker for the outside lines. And a thinner one for the details on the inside. Now we're going to use our colored pencils, I think. The colors are very much like pastel colors, but I think we're gonna have a good result with colored pencils. She's ready to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time. Bye bye.